To pups and pet Labrador retrievers. Labrador retrievers are sturdy, solid dogs. They are almost square in appearance with a strong body and sturdy legs. The medium height of a male is 24 inches, which puts them in medium-sized category. But their sturdy build can make them seem a much larger. Weight range from 85 pounds from large male to 55 pounds for a smaller female. Feline bred dogs are often taller and somewhat thinner in build. Labrador Retriever are easily recognized by their broad head, drop ear, and large, expressive eyes. Two trademarks of Lab are quick but fairly short double coat, which is weaker palate, and well-known otter tail. The tail is thick and sturdy and comes off a top line more straight. The feet are described as webbed, with larger skin between the toes. It is swimming. Color can be changed from black through chocolate to red, yellow, or even almost white. The Labrador Retriever is a moderately fast mutation it reaching adult height from 6 to 12 months, but possibly still filling up to 2 years of age. Many labs reach 12 to 14 years of age. In general, Labrador retrievers are excellent family dogs as long as you keep in mind their need for exercise and training. These dogs are bred to work hard. They love to have job, particularly retrieving labs are usually good for other dogs, other pets and children as long as training is toned down their natural experience. Their strong dog needs some obedience training at the early age or can be seen dragging their owners down the street at will. Owing their energetic energy, Labradors who are left alone, not well exercised, can become destructive. Doing digging and barking to exercise, the feline dogs are especially high energetic dogs, while some of show-line dogs become perfect couch potatoes at the early age. Chewing can be a problem because the strong retrieve your age give them oxal fixation. Study chew dogs. Toys, exercise, and training all help with this. Obviously, little dogs have a number of energetic traits, or they will not so be popular, so intelligent. They are fairly easy to train, particularly from their desire to work with people. They are easily keeper can become overweight if they not exercise and food proportions adjust as needed. Lab are excellent family dog because they do not to be with people. Many do not well as Skinner dog. Labrador do tend to be protective from their families and homes, but are usually happy to create company too. With a strong retrieving instinct, they can be developed into destructive chewers if not given appropriate toys and guidance. Labs may be tend to maul people, and solution is often simply to given a toy to carry around their mouths and already full. They are very strong dogs, and early training is necessary to have a dog that walks nicely on lead. Thanks.